A very good evening to all of you, my dear students. Welcome back to your science class, Seema Ke Pathsala. I hope you all are fine and following all the protocols and guidelines of COVID. So, in this situation, we need to be at home and study hard. This is Seema in front of you, and today I am going to explain in this video the exercise questions of the chapter Animals Home. So hope you all enjoy my earlier videos. In that I have explained animals home, why we need, and what different types of animals needs to be different kinds of shelter to live, and what the name of their shelter. Okay, and children, watch this interesting video till end to know more about exercise questions. Okay, so let's start. Okay, yes, so first see here exercise question from the inside of the textbook. Take the correct option. Frogs live, that is the two options given here. First, it is in water or in water and on land. So yes, this is the correct option, option number B. Frogs and crocodiles lives on both land and water. So second option is the correct options, because frog have lungs. With the help of lungs they can breathe on land, and with the help of moist skin they can breathe inside the water also. So a frog, he is adapted to live on both land as well as in water. Now the next is fish live. The two options are in water and on land. Obviously fish, they live on water, sorry, in water. They live in water. Why? Because they can't live on land, and for water, how they will breathe in water? So they have gills to breathe in that. So yes, they are adapted to live in water. So yes, fish live in water. This is the correct options. Now come to the next. Yeah, now exercise questions is take the correct options to complete each sentences. So the first question, and each questions have two options. So let us start from the first question. Earthworms live in. Earthworms, where they live, in the soil or in water? Obviously in the soil. Okay, now the next, it is a starfish live. Starfish, it is a fish, so they live in water. Frogs live. Right now I told that frogs have both adaptation to live on land and in water. So yes, frog, they can live on both land as well as in water. Now the next, see the section 2, name the following. So the first question is two animals that live in forest. So already you know so many name of wild animals. So here you can write the animal, those who live in the forest. So you can write tiger, lion, giraffe, deer, bear, fox. Okay, whatever you want to write, you can write. Okay, the second question is an animal that lives on trees. Monkey, they live on tree. The third question is an animal that lives in water. So fish live in water. Now the third section question is match the following. So the first question is dog, and here it is already all given shelter options of the animal. So dog, where dog stays? In kennel. Cow in shed. Horse in stable. So learn these all spellings also. Now come to the horse question. So what to do in this? Look at the pictures given below. If the animal lives on tree or on a small plant, so write T for a tree. If the animals live on land, then write L for land. And if it lives in water, so write W for water. Now here you can see first figure, it is of starfish. So starfish, where they live in water, so write W here. This is what? Carpenter ant. Sorry, this is red ant. So you can write here land. They live in the soil or a hill. Okay, small hill. So that is where obviously where they will can make their hill. In water, no, obviously on land. So land. This is butterfly. Butterfly live on tree in the forest. And in the forest where? In the air, in the floor, on the floor, no, on trees. This is a frog, and frog they are adapted to live on land as well as in water. But next it is dog, where dog lives on land. This is fish, where fish live in water. This is duck, where duck lives land as well as water, so L and W. Squirrel, where they live on land. Monkey on tree. Snake on land, where they will make their burrows on land. This is turtle in water, and this cock on land. So this was all. Okay, now come to the next question. This is the activity. Your chapter already it is going to be over. Activity zone, what is that? Find the animals hidden among the plants and color the picture. So you children, I know that you love to color. Okay, you love drawing. So here you can just find out very easily. So this is the picture of monkey behind the tree, and you can just draw this monkey, and this stem that is should be of brown color. This lips should be of green color, and monkey color, whatever you know, just you can fill it. This is the rabbit. Okay, what is this? Cow. And what is this? Rat. Yes, I also find all 4 animals. I don't think so that any extra animal is also there. No. Okay, so you can fill the color as you want. Okay, already you know the color of the rat, rabbit, monkey and cow. So for cow you can fill the different color of cows also you see, so you can fill. Okay, that project is on. What is that? Take a walk in a garden with an elder. Okay, look for small animals on the grass, flowers and leaves. Observe them with a magnifying glass. Okay, so when you will go with your elder, then one magnifying glass also should be in your hand, and take the animals you saw. Okay, whatever animals you saw, just take them. First you should know the name. Okay, picture already it is you can see, but you should know the name also. So what is that? This is carpenter ant. This is butterfly. This is what? Ladybird. This is housefly, dragonfly, grasshopper, spider, bees, cockroach. And what is that? I just forget the name. Green. It is not coming in my mind. Okay, in the class I will tell you what is its name. Okay, just I forget the name. Okay, leave it. Let me explain the next one. If it will come in my mind, then I will explain. Otherwise, in the class I will tell you. Okay, the next worksheet unit 1. So which of these are living things? It is not from your chapter. Actually, the worksheet unit 1, it is from this question. It is from 1 to 5 chapter. So let's see this also. Take the correct answer. Which of these are living things? So this is living things. So this red and living thing. Tree also, all trees and plants are living things because they can also breathe, they can grow, they can reproduce their young ones. So that is a living thing. Which of these are natural things? Means that is not man-made. So this fruit, it is natural thing. This cloud, this is also natural thing. So this both are the correct option. Here also For second question also, two options are correct. Which of these are non-living things? Non-living things. So non-living things, water, it is non-living things. It can move, but this doesn't mean that this is living thing, because it can't breathe, it can't grow. Okay, they don't need food for the survival on the earth. The paper, this is also non-living thing. So two options for this question also. Now, how do words move? Words slide? No. Snake slide. Birds run? Yes, flightless bird can walk and run. But here, fly will be the correct option. How do birds move? So birds fly. Okay, what do goats eat? So goat, it is a herbivorous animal. So goats eat only plants. Okay, now the next, name the following wild animals name. So you can write here tiger. Whatever your interest is, you can write here. A small animal, write here rat. It is very small. A big animal, you can write elephant. It is a big animal. They live in the open area in the forest. Okay, an animal living on land, so you can write deer. Deer live on land. An animal living in water, dolphin. Okay, dolphin. So these all are the answers for worksheet questions. Any more it is there? Let me see. Yes, one more pages more is there. So join the dots and each color each picture and name it. So you can see that this is what, this is leaf. Okay, so write here LEAF. This is only single leaf, so write LEAF. Don't write LEAVES, because leaves we use for two or more than two, the plural form. So write here leaf for one leaf, LEAF. And this is what, this is a flower. Okay, so write here flower. Okay, now name the fruit. So this is apple. You know already the spelling of apple, APPLE. And this is tomato, TOMATO. Let me write this also, APPLE. This is banana, BANANA. This is what, a mango, MANGO, mango. This is what, chili, CHILLI. And the last one is papaya, PAPAYA. How many seeds in there in papaya? Many. How many seeds are there in watermelon? Many. What is the number of seeds present in mango? Only one. Okay, so I hope now you understand this whole topic, all exercise questions. Now you can you should watch it and get benefit. Okay. So children, bye bye, take care of yourself, and now we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye bye.